Today I'm going to melt down a CPU from an old computer I had. What I think would be really cool is if the gold from these little pins didn't alloy with the stainless steel on the back. And if I was able to harvest even like a speck of the gold from this away from that stainless steel. But I think what's going to end up happening is the gold is going to end up just alloying in with that steel. But there's only one way to find out, so let's get to it. So the plastic that's used to make the CPU is a lot more heat resistant than I thought. Even with a 6,000 degree flame, it wasn't able to melt that green plastic that was around it. But the heat made the two halves separate, and now I have the plastic side over there, and I have the bulk of it right here. I'm just gonna try melting this side now. I guess this is kind of a testament to how heat resistant these things are. Even with a 6,000 degree flame, which is about twice the melting temperature of steel, it wasn't able to melt this thing. I was hoping to end up with a little bit of an ingot from the CPU, but I don't think I have the heat to be able to do that.